I'll do that like you did on yours. It's not quite the same, is it?
They've done a really good job of that. So, for those of you guys that don't know, what crossover is Steeder?
Steeder, mate, they're the only ones that I've found that do this in the UK. So, yeah.
We're going to fit it today.
Yeah,
A1 Powder Coating's literally done an amazing job on this. Well done, Adam and the team up there. It literally is a direct match to the K&N Typhoon. Put them next to each other a second, mate.
So that's a bit dirtier, so that ain't going to be as clean.
No, that is spot on. That's literally the perfect colour. Awesome, man. Let's get to it. Boy. Let's get to it. So as far as I'm aware, we've got to take all these bits off. So that, and then somehow get down the back. So it'll probably be header tank out and maybe even the cowl panel off. I'm going to start getting all that bit off now, and I'll let you guys know how it went. It wasn't too bad to do. All we had to do was literally the same as we did with my induction kit. It was actually really easy. So we're going to put the reducer on now.
This would have taken us a full 8 hours.
This is Bradley. This is Nathan's brother, by the way.
I'm the better looking one.
YouTube. Look at them tattoos, man. You've been progressing recently, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, mate. What does that say? Stripper. Ripper.
You can.
It looks mint, doesn't it? It looks good on camera. It looks good in person. I can't believe they managed to match it so well.
I know.
They are, like I said, mate, they're very good up there. A1 Powder Coatings. Shout out to A1 Powder Coatings.
Oh, is it A1?
Shout out to A1 Powder Coatings. Go there. Do it. I'll force you. What the actual is that? That is not smooth airflow. That is ridiculous. That is not even a circle. That's like... I don't understand. And then it goes from like a circle down to a square. Good thing we're changing this over for a nicer looking one that will sound nicer and it will perform better as well. So eventually got enough wiggle room to get it in there, all tightened up, all locked down. Putting this last part on now, and then we're going to hope to God that the engine cover fits. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll have to see. First start, we need to know the MAF is in properly here. Yeah. Thank you very much for Nathan for coming by, and Bradley, Nathan's brother. As I mentioned earlier, this is Nathan's brother Bradley from Nathan's mother and daddy, who came from their parents.
Yeah. And a long drive to get her as well. Took us all of a couple of hours.
Whole of 2 minutes because you live like a road down.
Yeah, man.
So, alright guys, so it's going to be how every single video ends, in the garden, which is pretty much every video recently. So, big up OGA, boom. We got the crossover fitted to Nathan's car, was not as bad as I thought. It's a surprise that not that many companies make the crossovers for the Focus STs, considering that from what I saw, it was a really restrictive looking pipe. There's a lot of bends and it's changing shape and stuff, and I thought that was a little bit weird. So yeah, we got the crossover on, so that is a Steeder crossover for the Mark III Focus ST, so that's all on. I'd like to shout out to A1 Powder Coatings once again for doing Nathan an awesome deal on the powder coating of the crossover pipe. He only paid 30 quid and it came out mint, exactly the same. I'm not even just saying, exactly the same as the K&N Typhoon, which I didn't think you could get direct colour matches like that, but it blew my mind. You put it next to it and it looked exactly the same. So big up to those guys for doing that. If you guys want any powder coating done on your metals, on your wheels, on your metal bits in your engine bay, shoot down some A1 Powder Coatings. They're in Southampton. They're really great prices, awesome guys. I can't recommend them enough, and we're getting more work done to the car soon, so I'm not going to spoil that too much, but we might be changing a couple of colours and things. And we're doing it again, we're mixing it up, because that's what we do over here. We don't stay with one thing, which is bad, but I want to try new things, so we're going to be doing that. I have opened up a Facebook page now, so come and like the page. It's a group, so it's a Facebook group, so it will just literally be you guys from YouTube, you can all invite your friends and stuff. Basically, what I'm trying to make it is just a really positive community, so you guys can post your cars in there and you get support and, you know, get feedback on your stuff, but I also want to make it as a host point for hosting events and stuff like that. So if you guys are in the group, then you'll immediately be able to see if I'm hosting an event in the group, and cool stuff like that, as well as posting of the YouTube videos. Every time I upload, I'll post them in the Facebook page, Instagram posts and stuff like that. And you guys are more than welcome to do that as well. I'd like to make it into a community at the end of the day. I don't want it to be like, you know, just me posting stuff. I want all of you guys to get involved, post your builds, post your updates, update us on stuff that you're doing, you know, any DIY work that you're doing. I really want to see it, because I love that. I absolutely love that. It motivates me more than anything to do these DIY bits and bobs when I see other people doing it. And yeah, I just think it would be a very, very good idea to bring all of you guys together, and we can make an awesome community out of it. We can start hosting more meets more often, you know, we can get more people. You don't have to have a Fiesta, you can have any car you want. If you watch this channel, or if you want to be a part of this community, or if, you know, even your friends don't watch this channel, just bring them in, try and make it big, and get some awesome positive people in the group. That being said, if you are an arsehole, you'll be kicked from the group and blocked immediately, with no guarantee that you'll ever be allowed back, because we want nice people in this group, we don't want arseholes. So, Slamber City, if you're an arsehole from Slamber City and you're an arsehole elsewhere, out of Slamber City, then you're not allowed in our group. Pretty much like that. Keep it in Slamber at the end of the day. I don't want to hear shit in my Facebook page. We'll leave it at that. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to say for this video. Until next time, guys, link will be down below. Thank you very much, A1 Nathan, for allowing me to install this, because I love installing new things and learning new things. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Very long outro, a lot had to be said. You stay frosty. I will see you in the next video. Logan Paul, Logang, fuck you, Logan.